What is typecasting?
That's typecasting is the process of converting a variable from one data type to another. In programming, it's a way to tell the computer to treat existing data in a new way. This helps when you need your data in a different format for calculations, storage, or compatibility with different code parts.
Why typecasting matters?
Sometimes operations require data in specific types. For example, adding an integer and a string that looks like a number usually gives an error. By casting the string to an integer, you can perform the calculation successfully. Typecasting helps prevent errors and ensures that data is used correctly in your code.
Explicit versus implicit casting.
There are two types of typecasting: explicit and implicit. Explicit casting means you directly tell the program to convert a value, such as using int 5 in Python. Implicit casting happens automatically when the language converts types for you, like combining integers and floats in a calculation.
Coding examples of typecasting.
In Python, you can convert a string to an integer using int 42, or a float to a string using string 3.14. Other languages, like Java, use syntax such as int 5.6 to cast a float to an integer. These conversions help store, process, and interact with different types of data smoothly.
When to use typecasting?
Use typecasting whenever you need to ensure data types match for calculations, comparisons, or function inputs. Be cautious, as casting can sometimes lose information. For instance, converting a float to an integer drops the decimal part. Always check documentation and test your code after casting values.